Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started with the cash alarm. So here comes the app from the Applike company. So these are all apps provided by the Applike company, I guess, and you can check the latest updates on feature sections. And here comes the apps which I have installed and I'm getting currently earn from this app. Here's the invite friend section, so you will earn 250 coins for every friend. Additionally, you will receive 25% of all coins your friend earns, and your friend will receive 25 points of your earn. So it's like give and take policy. Let's move on to the payout section. So here comes the payout. I can redeem $0.5. I has because I have crossed 4,999. Let's choose the country. As I am from India, so I'm going to tap on India to verify because the verification is mandatory over here. So this is being verified automatically, and let's click on payout. So this is going to be tricky, like they are asking for the email verification as well. Bit tricky, like you have to get your wallet or app fixed for one phone with one number. So email verification has been done. So once you're back into the app, from your email and phone number you will be able to redeem the amount. And here comes the linking, like you have to link with the same email which you have logged in and with the same PayPal, so that you won't be having any issues. Or you can also create multiple accounts if you want, but make sure you check the terms of services. So I have done. Here's my payment. Like here you can see I have the payment in progress. You will receive your PayPal credit after the payout is successful. The credit will be sent within 7 business days to your account. The payment from the Applike. So here comes the payment of 0.47 euro. You have received payment. Thanks for your service. And this is how you receive the payment proof from the app. That's it guys, I have added to the yesterday's videos just to show you the payment proof that I have received today. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon, also use my link to get some bonus and also get 25% of my earnings. Okay, bye bye.